got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Man, anything. What you got running in here, man?
I got 3 SVL 15s on 3 SKV 1 and 1 V2 3500. Got a 320 Rocky all. 43.5 skip bank. That's pretty good.
You got a lot in there.
That's all right.
Yeah. It's hot here today, boy.
It's just hotter now. I haven't been through all these songs yet because I just got it from DJ Dirty Bass.
Oh yeah, I like that. I got me one of them. Yeah. That's how they work out together.
Gotta know I created. She's so sweet now and later. I want that all the time, all the time.
This is like it was heating up at all.
Oh yeah.
Now, hi.
A little bit, not bad.
What are you on social media anywhere they can follow you or anything
I
like
am.
that?
Actually, I do follow you. I'm Shattered Dreams 66 on TikTok. That's about it.
Yeah,
Same
be sure.
for Instagram.
Y'all be sure to give them a follow and tag them down below. That's good to see you, man.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I'll see you again, man.
Appreciate it, man.
They gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.